Dear students, in this lecture video, we studied about ash handling in steam power plants. In the large steam power station, ash account for 10 to 20% of the coal burnt per day. Therefore, the mechanical devices are used for effective collection of ash and disposal of ash. For a large rating of the steam power station, a huge quantity of ash is to be disposed through mechanical devices. What are the ash handling compromises? The following operation is nothing but the removal of ash from the furnace of the boiler. Second one is transfer of this ash to a fill storage. The third one is disposal of stored ash. So these are the three operations performed in the ash handling. Next, the ash can be disposed of in the following way only. The first one is the waste land sites may be reserved for the disposal of waste. This is the one of the way. The another one is building contractors may utilize it to fill the low-lying areas. This is the another way. Discussed quarries within the reasonable distance of power plant may be employed for dumping the ash into evacuated land. This is the one more way. The last way for the disposal of ash is deep ponds may be made and the ash can be dumped into these ponds to fill them completely. So these are the four ways which are used to disposal of ash in the steam power plant. Then what are the difficulties experienced in handling and disposal of ash? The ash coming out of the furnace is very hot, so therefore the ash is dirty in handling, and then it produces poisonous gas and corrosive acid when mixed with water. So these are the difficulties we are facing during handling and disposal of ash. Once again I am telling, first one is that means the ash coming out from the furnace of the boiler is very hot. The ash is dusty. That means in handling time. Then second one is the ash produces poisonous gas and corrosive acids when mixed with water. So these are the difficulties we are facing during disposal of ash. Then what is the requirements of good ash handling plant? It should be able to handle hot and wet ash effectively and with good speed only. The second one requirement is it should be possible to minimize the corrosive action of ash. Third one is the operation of the power plant should be easy, economical, simple and noiseless. The last requirement is it should be removed fly ash and smoke to control air pollution. So these are the four requirements for good ash handling plant. Then what are the modern ash handling system which are used in the steam power plant? Four modern systems we are used: belt conveyor system, pneumatic system, hydraulic system, steam jet system. First we studied about the belt conveyor system. The another name is mechanical handling system. In the belt conveyor system, the ash is carried with the flow of water with high velocity through the channel and finally dumped in the sump. This is the continuous handling process and the power consumption for belt conveyor system is low. So this is the belt conveyor system which is used for ash handling in steam power plant. Second one is pneumatic system. In the pneumatic system, the air is employed as the medium for driving the ash through pipe over the long distance. The ash is passed from the boilers and then into conveying pipe only. The air is sucked through the delivery end, which makes the ash to flow into the separators where the ash is collected in hoppers only. The dusty air is filtered and exhausted to atmosphere through the exhaust fan. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a pneumatic system for ash handling? Advantage: it can carry ash through long distance. The disadvantages is high maintenance charges and noisy operation because the system is used for long distances, so therefore high maintenance charges and noisy operation. The third ash handling system is hydraulic system. The hydraulic system, in the hydraulic system, a stream of water carries ash along with it in a closed channel and it disposes it off through the proper site only, to the proper site. This system can be used for large capacity power plants where the ash is to be disposed of over the long distances. This type of system is a healthy, clean, dustless and completely enclosed system. The hydraulic system are highly pressure system and low pressure system. There are two types of pressure system which are used in the hydraulic system. First we studied about the high pressure system in the hydraulic ash handling system. In this system, it operates at irregular intervals and then the hoppers are placed below the boilers and are fitted with water nozzles both at the top side and on sides only. The top nozzles quench the ash while the side ones provide the driving force for the ash. The ash and the water flow together to a sump where the ash is separated from the water. The water is used again while the ash is sent out through the carriages. This is the high pressure system which are used in the hydraulic ash handling system. Then next one is low pressure system which are used in the hydraulic ash handling system. This system operates at regular intervals. The drain is provided below the boilers and the water is made to flow through them. The ash directly falls into the drain which is carried by the water to the sumps. In the sumps, the water and the ash both are made to pass through the screens in order to separate them out. The water is pumped back to the drain and the ash is removed through the carrier units. So this is the low pressure system used in the hydraulic ash handling system. The last type of modern ash handling system is steam jet system. This system employs jets of high pressure blowing in the direction of ash travel through a conveying pipe in which the ash from the boiler ash hoppers is fed. This type of system is installed where path of the travel of ash is not straight. Dear student, I hope that in this lecture video you clearly understand how to ash handling process performed in the steam power plant and what are the problem we are facing during ash handling in the steam power plant, and then what are the modern ash handling system which are used in the steam power plant. Thank you student for watching this video.